Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mari, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm bringing to you guys another hair tutorial. I don't do these often on my channel because I am more of a makeup girl. I like to just get my makeup done and forget to do my hair, to be honest. It's either straight, curly, or up in a bun. Nothing too fancy. But for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I got this beautiful, don't mind the stains, I spilled coffee on my shirt. But I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to put in this beautiful pony right here, 23 inches, 125 grams of hair in under like 5 minutes. So I just want to say thank you to insert name here for sending me some hair to show for you guys. This is my 4th ponytail by them and I am obsessed because, like I said, I am not a hair girl, but insert name here ponies make it super quick and fast for me to get something done. Literally slick it up in a bun and throw a pony over it and it looks like you put some time into your hair. So if you guys are interested to see how I got this pony on, how quick and easy it is, literally need 3 products. You need your spray, you need your brush, and you need your hair. And you're literally done. So if you guys like to see how I put in the pony on my hair, then I suggest you keep on watching. But before I start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. I was sent 2 ponies from insert name here. I have 4 of insert name here ponytails and they're so easy to use. You guys, trust me when I say this because I literally just like to throw my hair up in a little bun or straight hair or curly hair and that's about it. So when you have these ponies, they give you so much more like oomph to your hair and make it look like you tried harder. So they sent me 2 and this one is the Shayla pony. This one is gorgeous. It's loose spiral waves. I feel like this pony would look great with my natural hair, but this one is 26 inches and 125 grams, I believe. And the fiber of this hair is Japanese synthetic. So I believe you can put heat to it, but I don't think you want to put heat to this one because this one has very pretty waves in it and you don't want to take that away. Even though I already have a lot of volume with my natural hair, this one just gives it inches and makes it even more like, it's just there. This would be perfect for the summertime. Even though we can't really go out right now, I mean, just give yourself a little vibe. So this one is the Shayla pony and it retails for $49, which is not bad at all because look at this. Look at this hair, you guys. It's freaking gorgeous. So this one is also Japanese synthetic fiber. It's, I think, 16 inches. So this one's more of like a shorter one and 120 grams of hair. So this one is gonna give you that very like, what's it called? Flicked out look and like that preppy look. I feel like this has been going around as a trend. I just love how cute and dainty the ponytails look when they're like high up and they flick out. Alright, so for today I'm going to be using the Shayla pony. I should have kept my hair natural instead of having it straight because my natural hair is very wavy and I feel like it would blend so nicely with this ponytail. But I have it straight. So what I'm gonna do is pretty much just gonna put it up in a bun and then wrap the pony around. And it's honestly pretty self-explanatory. It's super easy. On the ponies itself, they come with like a little claw that hooks onto your pony or your bun. And then you have this Velcro piece that wraps around it and an extra piece of hair to wrap around the Velcro so that when it's on your hair, you can't even tell that you have a little Velcro piece. So I'm going to start by taking my brush, and my hair is straight so there's not too many like flyaways or anything, but just to have it a little sleek. And honestly, you guys, this pony I'm so happy that I got because I feel like this is like their best selling one. Every time I see an ad for insert name here, it's always this pony. So, oh my gosh. So I'm so excited to try. So I'm pretty much just going to brush my hair back. And you can either have it keep a piece out or just keep it slick. I'm just gonna keep it slick. And this pony is gonna give you so much volume to your hair. Make the bun as small as possible if you can. So now you guys can see that I have my hair up in a bun. Now I'm going to take the Shayla pony and clip it inside the bun, as you guys can see, like so. Then I'm gonna take this extra piece right here, hope you guys it's in focus, and wrap it around the Velcro piece. Keep trying to pull it as tight as you can. So now that I kept wrapping, I got to the end of it, I'm gonna take this bobby pin right here and pin down the extra piece from the pony part. I'm going to show you guys how long the pony is. Don't mind my pants, I'm in pajamas, okay. But look at this. Oh my god, this is such a pretty pony. Yeah, this is honestly how my natural hair looks, but it's not this long, so I cannot wait for my hair to grow longer. But look how gorgeous this ponytail is. You can't even get the whole thing in the video. It's so long. Oh my god, I have a stain. I dropped coffee on my shirt before filming this, but whatever. But I can't even get the whole thing because look how long. And for only $49, that's not bad. So yeah guys, this is honestly super easy and fast to do. Insert name here ponytails are honestly the best and easiest and quickest way to achieve a very gorgeous hair look. As you guys saw, I did have my hair straight, so if my hair was natural, I probably would have just like sprayed some more hairspray. I have some got to be glued hairspray here and this brush. These two make the best combination to get a very sleek look, so I have them linked down below, as well as the ponies. If you guys would like to purchase a pony, I will have it linked down below, but I also have a discount code with them, which is MariiiBajariii, so if you guys want to save some money, use my discount code if you would like. But yes, you guys, did you guys see how quick and easy this hairstyle was? Like, I spent so much time on my makeup that I usually don't have time to finish my hair, so this pony made it super easy to do, and the length is freaking bomb. One more time. Oh, so good. So yeah guys, that is all for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys how I achieve this long ponytail look right here. I love it because I'm someone who focuses more on makeup to the point where I never really have time to do my hair. So being able to just throw my hair up in a bun and then have a ponytail over it to make it look like I tried even harder or that I grew some length overnight is amazing. So yeah, that concludes today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment down below what you like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to mine and Angel's channel, which is MariiiBajariii and Angel. The link will be down below. Stay blooming, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.